Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open Contacts and locate the exact contact you'll share. Once selected, tap Share Contact. This moves you from reading to action. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on if you plan to use AirDrop, because it uses both to connect directly. If you prefer text, pick Message. For email, choose Mail. Starting here avoids extra navigation and gets the sharing options in front of you, so you control how the info moves and why each method matters. Now choose how to send it and why that method fits the situation. For quick, secure transfer, pick AirDrop, tap the recipient's device and confirm. For a record that can be saved later, use Mail to send a VCF file. If you don't want to share everything, edit the contact first and use Share Contact share fields to include only phone or email. Once done, tap the chosen app, attach the V-card if needed, and send. This gives you control over privacy and format. Finish by tapping Send and watch for the acceptance prompt. If using AirDrop, ask the recipient to tap Accept and Save. Make sure they open the V-card and choose Add to Contacts so details stick. If the transfer fails, try Mail or Messages as a fallback, or copy and paste key fields. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggle AirDrop visibility to everyone briefly, restart Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and retry. That resolves most connection hiccups without changing any contact data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.